remove all these boxes. Bye bye box. It's been a great day, guys, and it's a bit it's been a really good unboxing video as well. I wish I can share this to you guys. I hope I can just fly this out in the screen. I can give to some of my viewers. It is so much for us. But anyway, thank you, Lord, for the blessings. And I hope you're watching here right now, guys. Hope you have a wonderful blessings as well. Take care, everybody, and stay safe. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. All right, guys. Oh, guys, just discussing about things about the coffee. So, sweetheart, we'll try that some more. Anyway, just enjoy, guys, while I'm doing this, putting in the somewhere. Oopsie. No. Maybe I can try some now. Let's open the piatas, guys. Oh boy. Here is the lace. Stephanie, I know that you got good food there in the US, like lace here. Tastes like lace, you know. But nothing, but it's just similar. Ho ho. I guess there's some insurance. Hey boy. That's a cheese. Okay, so what's in the neck? Sure afford. Show a fudge bar one more time, please. Okay. That's yummy. Okay. I'm gonna ask for fudge bar. Okay, I've got this one. Okay, one more time. Okay. Let's open the fudge bar. Everybody loves chocolate, you know. I was going to order the chocolate cupcake, but they said it is already gone. So I haven't ordered the chocolate cupcake before. I did a few months ago, but now, see, let's open this and I eat this. Oh boy. There, guys. Open it again and in one bite. There. Oh my God. Ang sarap. Meaning so yummy. Are we overeating now? Oh my God. It's so good. I asked you earlier about the nails. Natural nails are cute. Thank you, Stephanie. Really appreciate it. Sorry about that. I did gardening earlier. You know why I'm so laughing? Here it is. You're so cute, my love. No, you can have it. It's a chocolate. No. Oh my God.